Show you how to reset your change oil soon light. Turn your key to the on position. Come out here to your key, or to your engine, I'm sorry. Your fuse panel on the right hand side here, you have this, wants to look like a fuse, but it's not. It's an oil reset button. Push it in and hold it for 5 seconds. Might even be about 6 seconds, I don't know. Now, what she's going to do is she's going to flash at you. Do not start the engine or shut the key off or anything while it's in its flashing state. Let it flash until it goes out. This is the ECM resetting it. So we'll give it a few seconds here. Could take about 30 seconds or more, so I may just stop the recording and then start again so you don't have to sit here and watch it flash. Okay, and there we are. Stop flashing. Go ahead and start the car now, and your light's taken out. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.